I'm taking a video of you. Missy, what are you doing?
Chicken.
You're eating chicken?
I'm doing coffee. What are you doing, Coffee Daddy?
I am Coffee Daddy.
Yeah.
Missy, you want to eat some more chicken?
Lucas, eat some chicken, please.
Help Daddy, help Daddy.
How do you ask?
Peace.
Lucas, eat chicken.
Daddy,
Sit.
Daddy, sit.
I'm sitting, my Missy.
Mommy, hurry. Help Mommy, hurry.
She wants to be strapped in.
I know. Give it to me. Big tummy.
Can you eat some more chicken, please?
What cocoa? What coffee, Daddy?
What?
When I end up
What are you
eating,
doing,
take those
coffee,
away.
Mommy?
What?
Until you finish more chicken, we're going to move them over here.
Get that bell.
Eat some more chicken. 3 bites, 3 big bites.
Why don't you eat that whole piece, man?
Help Mommy.
Well, I tried, but
Okay,
you...
let's show you
Okay.
Mommy.
Good bite, man.
No, you can't just take the breading off. You gotta eat the chicken part. You did it?
Help. Wait, done. Beep, 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 beep.
Well, a minute ago she was growling.
A minute ago she was Ethan. Shh. A minute ago she was screaming.
And what were you doing a minute ago?
Drinking coffee.
Really? Coffee, huh?
What are you doing, coffee, Mommy?
I'm laughing at you because I don't think you were drinking coffee.
I do drink coffee.
Do you know what some people call coffee?
Yeah.
They call it a cup of joe.
Why?
Were you going to drink a cup of joe?
Yeah. I like it. And the Santa says Cocoa Joe.
Cup of joe.
Cup of Joe.
How about a nice hot cup of joe?
Missy, can you show Daddy how you drink from a big girl cup?
Yeah, can you drink from
No!
When, today?
Daddy, what's this thing?
That's
the
a
elephant
plate.
tail.
An elephant tail. Missy, can you drink from a cup today?
A tail. Tail.
Madeline, drink from a cup today? Elephant.
Oh, did elephants eat?
They do. Have some more chicken, baby.
What's this? Yeah. What's this?
Yeah, I agree.
What's this?
That's his trunk. His
What?
nose, his big nose.
Like just nose?
Lucas, can you please do some more chicken? Lucas, more chicken, please. What? Lucas. Shh.
Daddy! Mommy!
What? Can you show us how to drink from a cup? That's a sweet voice.
Drink from a big
Missy.
boy cup and a
Drink-
big boy cup.
Like Lucas. Drink like Lucas.
Don't do this like Lucas.
I'm looking chicken.
Yeah,
Lucas
can
was
we do
drinking.
Missy drinking? Today? Missy, today can we do it?
Nah, Lucas. No.
I'm looking doing.
Hey, Lucas.
That's one. Thank you.
Don't do it, Lucas.
I'm looking doing.
Don't do what Lucas is
He's
doing.
causing trouble.
Missy, can you buy more chicken?
I try color double.
Uh-oh. Missy, can you eat some cherries?
I'm look, Missy, I'm almost at the bottom. I'm at the bottom, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Missy, Missy,
Come out.
chicken, Missy?
To go pet the fair again, right?
Well, the fair's all done. The fair was only 1 week.
Why? There's another fair that's open.
Can you eat that one?
What one?
Eat that chicken.
What? Wait, dude.
Missy, do you like salt and vinegar
Daddy.
chips?
Yeah?
Salt and vinegar?
Yeah? Ghost, mommy, ghost.
Ghost? Wake up!
See a mammoth at the bottom. Ice, Daddy, ice.
Close.
I see a mammoth at the bottom.
Missy, wake up!
Missy, a mammoth at the bottom. Daddy, wake up. Mammoth at the bottom.
You still have a lot left to go.
Ice. Daddy, mammoth at
Eyes.
the bottom.
Eyes.
Ice, Lucas, ice.
She says, close your eyes, Lucas.
I don't want to.
Oh.
Look, I'm almost at the
Rigel, eyes.
I don't know if he understands that, Missy.
Oh, Rigel, wake up. Can Daddy wake up?
No.
Can Mommy wake up?
Mommy, wake up. Daddy, wake up.
Hi!
I wake up.
I'm awake!
Daddy, out.
Can you eat some more chicken?
No.
Someone?
I'm almost at the bottom. Wake up.
Oh, now I'm Demon Daddy. Madeline, eat more chicken meat. Yeah, that's yogurt. Eat more chicken meat. Meat.
Why are you taking a video of this? This is such a long video with nonsense on it.
So that one day I can watch it and enjoy the crazy memories when they don't want to talk to us. When they're teenagers and don't want to talk to us and we want to think about when they were just having crazy fun all the time. Right, Lucas? Mommy, who do you think could win in a contest of eating a chicken nugget? Lucas or you? Oopsie-daisy.
What did they do?
Lucas, who could win a chicken eating contest? Who could win? You or Rigel?
Oh, Missy.
Who could win?
Me and
Oh wait! Okay, go! So you can eat the most chicken nugget the fastest.
Mm?
Are you winning yet? Keep going to win. Keep going.
No.
I think I tricked you.
You didn't trick me.
Rigel, did we trick him?
Yeah.
Rigel's looking dapper with his haircut.
Where is he?
Sitting there hoping somebody drops some food.
I'm not dropping food.
What was that, Missy?
Copy. Gummy.
Oh,
What's this thing,
that's from
Daddy?
the octopus song.
Daddy, what's this thing?
It's strapped to the chair. Burp, excuse me, is from the
I
octopus
want
song.
my strap back.
You're too big to have that strap.
Why?
Look how big you are. You're big enough to ride rides, man. You can't be strapped in by a baby seat. Remember, Missy couldn't do all the rides you did because she's smaller. Tough to think about, isn't it?
Eat the chicken, baby.
Look. Look, Hawk. Look, Hawk. Look, Hawk. Look, Hawk. Look, Hawk. God. Look, Hawk. A cat. Look, Hawk. Look, Hawk. Look, Hawk. Look, Hawk.
Oh, man.
Daddy.
Look, Hawk. Look, Hawk. Look, Hawk.
Look, Lucas, how's it?
Look, Hawk. 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 Look, Hawk.
Are you a chicken?
Baby shape. Baby doll.
Eat more.
Baby doll.
Baby doll's in bed.
Look up.
No, Missy, eat, because then we're going to do bath.
Wait!
It's already time for bath. You just need to eat more. Okay. Bye-bye video.